Yet another bloodbath in the markets. The Dow down 520 points. My name is Des Woodruff. I'm the senior analyst and mentor here at freetradingvideos.com Incorporated, DBA Grok Trade, and it is Wednesday, August 10th, 2011. The Dow down 520 points, down 4.6%. The S&P down 4.4%. Nasdaq down 4.09%. Russell's down more than 5%, 5.2%. Banks leading the charge to the downside all day long, down a whopping 7.6%. The financials are in a bloodbath. VIX spiking 22.6%. We're at 43 now on the VIX. Gold over $1,800 an ounce, up 3.5%. Silver spiking today. U.S. dollar up 0.85%. And you have crude oil up 0.5%. The trend closes at 5.51%. That does bode well for a bullish bounce tomorrow in the morning. However, anything can happen, especially overseas. News events can cause this market to do whatever it wants to. Now here's a question. We're in this big symmetrical triangle. We saw it. We've been talking about it for months and months and months and months. If it breaks out, you go long. Breaks down, you go short. Easy to say if you're savvy technical analysis and you follow it. However, we catch ourselves down here at 1120 area on the S&P. And we're worried about our 401ks, our IRAs, our SEPs, and we're wondering what should we do. The question might be, what do we not want to be doing right now? And I think the thing that we don't want to do is subject our capital to the markets any further at this moment. There's a lot of uncertainty out there, and as a trader, as an investor, I don't like that uncertainty, so I'd rather take myself out of the game. However, it's our 401ks and most in our IRAs and whatnot. You want to keep your funds in there, but perhaps you want to do a reallocation. Many of you have never done that before. I would highly recommend that you go find out how to log into your brokerage account and how to manage your funds. Find one that is the lowest of growth funds you can get your hands on. Find one that is like a government bond fund. Find one that's a money market. Something that when you look at the chart, it looks like a flat line that's going nowhere for years. That's the one that you want. Take a serious look at that and perhaps look to put your money there. It's like burying your capital in your backyard. You're still in the markets. You're still there. You're still in your retirement fund. But you've buried your money. You safeguard it for the time being. Let the markets bleed out, and when things start to look good again, we start to get some more positive economic news, then look to start buying some of those higher growth funds. Those will give you great opportunities to start making money to the upside. And what's great there is you'll still have all your capital that you have at this moment to buy back at a later date, giving you the opportunity to buy many more shares than what you normally would have had if you just bought them right up here. Okay? So just a thought for you. You know, legally I can't give you advice, but I can give you my opinions on things. My opinion is this. When you look at a weekly chart, things are broken. We're broken here. We've busted a significant amount of support areas. Numerous support areas busted. Go to a monthly chart. Boom. Crack. All the way down. Look at this. Major support busted. Support busted. Major support busted. Just huge amounts of support busted. The markets are broken. I certainly do not see this going to rally straight back up and get back to where we were immediately. Why? Because we have unprecedented news events such as the U.S. being downgraded in its credit rating. We have Moody's saying that they may do the same to us later on. Our deficit right now tops $1 trillion for the third straight year. And that news just broke today. Interesting. So, I say at all costs, be very careful out there in the markets. If you're exposed significantly there in the markets, hey, put your money somewhere where you can sleep at night. If you're losing sleep, if your hands are sweaty and trembly when you're looking here at the markets, safeguard it. Go to cash. Be flat. Do not subject your funds to this market until things start to stable out a bit. But when you see candlesticks expand in trading ranges here, that's a bad news. Now I say all that to say I do expect tomorrow to be an up day, but does that matter? It doesn't. We have a big down candlestick. We bounced yesterday, which I thought we would bounce yesterday. I did put on some longs. Today we come crashing back down, so we had no follow through. Last hour of the day was a bloodbath. We just tanked. But we're right there at the 1120 mark, which is a support area. You can see this. So a lot of times you'll get this red, and white again. So I did pick up some longs, tail end of the day. However, I'm not a gambler, so I hedged myself. So I am hedged going into that. But I'm telling you, gang, I don't have a lot of positions going. I'm just playing with some token positions right now. I am large part in cash in this environment. I am waiting for the next rally to come up, and once I see weakness commence, at that moment I will move in short, and I'll be resolved to hold those shorts for a significant amount of time. But we're too extended to the downside right now to say let's go bearish now. So if you would be so kind, it only takes you a second, click the like button below you. And if you want me to be your mentor to help you manage your funds so you can look at a chart intelligently and be a savvy trader investor, I'd be happy to teach you that. All you need to do is contact me. You can do that through my website. Take care and very safe trading to you.